How to log in EPFO employee account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. First and foremost, open a browser that you prefer and search for EPFO employee login. From here, you have to go ahead and select EPFO for employees and give it a tap. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of your EPFO. Select the option of For Employees. At the bottom, you have to select Member UAN Online Service. In your right hand side, you will find this Login option, where you have to enter your username or your UAN user ID, then enter your password. Verify yourself through CAPTCHA, then hit the Login option. If you are not able to log into your account, follow this simple step. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you may also face issue to log in to your EPFO employee account. Second and the most important thing is check for a VPN connection. Make sure if you are connected to a VPN, disable your VPN and try to log into your EPFO employee account again, because the system will identify if you are using a VPN to get access to EPFO employee account. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.